Hello YouTube, it's me again. I'm working on this Colombian Vise in this video, so if you keep watching, I'm going to grind off some pieces. I have to, yeah, I'm making 3 sets of jaws. In the previous video, I was trying to make a set of jaws for the Wilton, but I got to reset the thing, so this one might be a little easier. And I'm going to put aluminum jaws in everything, because I got more aluminum, I don't do it. Or I'm just going to order a set of blank jaws and drill some holes in it. But I got a little bit of work done, and then I got to drill out. Like, it's constant. Like, I swear I got Frankenstein of freaking jaws. So watch the video, and I'm going to cut it up in 2 parts, or I'll put it one big one. Got to cut out a lot of grinding, so thanks for watching. And then I got to work on the lighting in here, because it's insane. There's like 60 bazillion lumens of light, and there's shadows everywhere. So thanks for watching. Stay tuned. Just grinding stuff up. The bench is a goddamn mess, so I'm going to clean up a couple of things here first before I start, because there's too much junk in my way, and I'll explain to you what's going on in 1 second. I could just edit this out of the video, but wouldn't be the point of that, right? Alright. What I'm doing is I'm taking this bench, this grinder right here, and I'm grinding this off because there's no other way. This is chipped, it's wrecked, that one's welded on, and I don't have the means to make one of these, and I'm not about to try. So my best bet is my thing is I'm gonna clean this off, retap the holes, and just make a regular freaking, what do you call it? Hang on here. It's beat up Vise. It's old, and you know what? This is not going to be the perfect resto, so yeah, love it or leave it. So I'm going to try to grind this off of here. Let's see. That's an area away from here. I'm going to move the camera a little closer. Let me stop this a little. Do some grinding on the... Yeah, sure. This is why I like DeWalt freaking things. I don't have to hold this freaking thing down all the time. I can just grind. It's almost nice and smooth. So what's my plan of action here? See, I'm grinding that smooth, so I can just put another, what do you call it, jaw in there instead of messing around with anything. I'm trying to cut the weld off too, because there's still bits of weld on this. Starting to look like a bench press again. Actually, no, I probably could use it like this. Probably could just use it like this. Let's see. Maybe. Let's take a look real quick. No, get in there. Let's see. Let's see how this looks here. Just a little fun of it. Come on. Go. Watch this. Dun, 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 dun. Look at that. This side looks like it's brand new. This side's a wreck. So I'm gonna clean all this shit off and keep going. Stop the video here for a second here and start it. Hello YouTube. Apparently I'm a Vise repairman. So, it's actually a nice little Vise. It's got a... I'm the king of getting scrap goddamn Vises. But this one's not so scrap. I actually like this little old style. This little, what is it? Colombian? I don't know why people like Colombian Vises. They're really nice. See this, I cleaned it off. I'm gonna machine these holes out and put a nice little, make a nice little set of jaws for that. Now I'm gonna clean this side up real quick. I think I'm going to clamp it to the counter here. Or to the bench, I should say. Where's that thing? I can't use that one. Just easily, just kind of gently clamp it. I'm not trying to grind it all the way down. I'm trying to just get the weld off the damn thing so I can drill out these holes and then deal. Maybe I don't know what I'm doing. Thing around here. The spark going off like that one. I really would love to know why people mess with it. And why do you weld it on? It's still got screws in there. Yepper, folks, I'm removing years worth of patina because that's what I do. I destroy shit, right? But I'm just gonna clean this up here. I'm not cleaning the hole. Whoever owned this Vise, you did a huge disservice to it. That's all. I'm also sure there's some purists that'll say I'm butchering this thing, but you know what? Someone already murdered it before me. Now the fun part is I'm gonna drill these freaking things out. See, it's a stinker and a half. I could just use it like this. Let's see. Let's see if it lines up first. First and foremost. Does she line up? And let's see. I mean, if I just clean it up a little like that, it'll be fine. Well, I don't know who welded this thing, but god damn, they put enough freaking weld on it to kill a horse. Well, it doesn't line up anymore, but it looks much better. There's about a 1/4 inch of weld on here. It needs to come off. I'm going to grind it off. Get this off here. So I accidentally hit the damn thing with the rut. It would help if I did this. Clampy, clampy. Let's see. Let's go like this. Put them in there, see what happens. Let me lift this up just a little here. There you go. It's like wrecked. Gotta go down some more. Some more. This side's gotta go down. Whee. It's right here. It actually doesn't matter how far I go because the freaking removable jaw is already wrecked and welded to it. So I'm just making it look a little better. See? They're nice and square, but this thing is still not lining up. Looks a hell of a lot better than before. Believe me, it's like... But I don't get it. Why did they... Like, this one I understand it broke. But why did you weld this one? Like, who the hell is, like... People are mental. I don't get it at all. A little lower. This looks... Oh yeah, it's getting a little lower. Maybe a little more on this side. Nice and round here. This will never get smooth. But hey, somebody drove a hole in it. I could do like some of these folks and take all the casting marks off it, but I kind of like that rough. I don't like the smooth finish. This side's nice, and the top, well, I'll leave it like that. Let's see. See something broken there, so they must have been like, oh yeah, we'll just fix that with a piece of weld. Ta-da! It's fixed. Not really, but compared to what it was before, let me look at it. It looks a little bit better. It's not perfect, but once I lop the jaws off and make new ones, it'll be better. I'm going to work on taking this off. I did this just to see what it looked like, and I noticed I can't really just use without the jaws, because when you're going to wreck this. But at least now that I took it apart here, I have to break this video up in like 2 parts. When I take this apart, I got 2 little holes there to work with. And this, I'll just drill straight out. Take a drill bit, cut it out, and knock it out. So, yeah, the rest of it's in perfectly fine shape. I don't think I'll grind down the rest of this and smooth it out, whatever. Because that's pretty okay. There's enough meat in here to drill it. There was only there's only about a 1/4 inch taken off here. That one goes inward, so I'll just lop it right off. See, that goes outward, and I think this one, oh, maybe it goes outward. Who knows? Maybe I could just grind down the old frickin' things and use these ones. Who knows? That'd be cool. Use the old jaws, clean them up, and put them back on. It'd be kind of small though. I wonder if that would work. It'd be pretty neat though. Anyway, thanks for watching. And like, subscribe, do all that kind of stuff. Thank you.